winter storm warning in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a winter storm warning for heavy snow and blowing snow, which is in effect until 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. The winter weather advisory is no longer in effect. Locations: the southern Berkshires. Hazard types: heavy snow and blowing snow. Snow accumulations: 5 to 10 inches with the highest accumulations above 1,000 feet. Maximum snowfall rate: generally around 1 inch per hour through this morning, then around a ½ inch per hour. Timing: snow, heavy at times continuing through this morning, then periods of snow showers this afternoon through Monday. Impacts: potentially dangerous travel conditions due to snow-covered roads and near zero visibility, at times due to heavy snow and blowing snow. Winds: west to northwest 15 to 25 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Visibilities: less than 1/2 mile at times. Temperatures: in the 30s through today, and then the upper 20s to mid-30s tonight and Monday. A winter storm warning for heavy snow means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Significant amounts of snow are forecast that will make travel dangerous. Only travel in an emergency. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency.